Hey everyone! Today I'm going to compare Power BI versus Looker so you can decide which one is right for your business analytics needs. Let's start with Power BI. Power BI is a business intelligence and data visualization tool from Microsoft. It's great at connecting to a wide range of data sources like Excel, SQL databases, SharePoint, cloud platforms, and more. Power BI makes it easy to clean and transform data, build interactive dashboards and reports, and share insights with your team. It has a drag-and-drop interface, a powerful data modeling layer, and built-in support for advanced calculations using DAX. Power BI Desktop is free to download, and the Power BI service lets you publish and share reports online with your organization. Now let's talk about Looker. Looker is a cloud-based data analytics and BI platform that focuses on governed metrics and data exploration. It doesn't rely as much on file-based data connections. Instead, Looker connects directly to live databases and uses a modeling language called LookML to define business logic and metrics. This makes it very strong for organizations that want centralized, consistent definitions of metrics across all teams. Looker's visuals and dashboards are clean and flexible, and it integrates with tools like BigQuery and Snowflake really well. So, which one should you choose? If you're working in a Microsoft ecosystem, want a tool that's easy to learn, and need strong visualization and sharing features, Power BI is a great choice. It's widely used by business analysts and teams that need fast, interactive visuals with minimal setup. Power BI also fits small to large organizations because of its flexible licensing and integration with Excel and Microsoft 365. On the other hand, if your organization relies heavily on centralized data models, cloud data warehouses, and you want consistent metric definitions across different reports and teams, Looker might be the better option. Looker excels in environments where live connections to data sources and governed metrics are critical, especially for analytics teams that want tight control over metric definitions and reuse logic across reports. Both tools are powerful, but they serve slightly different use cases. Power BI is often easier to start with and great for self-service analytics, while Looker shines in governed, enterprise data environments with cloud data warehouses. If this comparison helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss more BI tool reviews and tutorials.